I'm Taylor, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a minion. Yeah. So the first thing I did was I actually drew 3 circles. I traced one circle for his head to base, like, because they're really just, they're pills. So they're really round. And then for their goggles, also do 2 more circles. I just freehanded them, that's why they're not perfect, but they don't have to be, so it's okay. So I'm going to start with the shape of his body. I'm going to be basing this minion off of Bob. He's my favorite minion. He's the smallest one. He's bald. He doesn't have hair, but other minions do. So if you wanted to add little lines on the top of his head for hair, you can. His body's basically this little pill shape. It doesn't exactly round like it does at the top, but kind of like this. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to trace the overalls, because it's all staying inside of the shape. So where you see the circle, I already drew some lines, because this is where the straps are going to go. They're like 2 lines, and they come in like this. I'm actually going to make it a little bit higher. That's why you do things in pencil. And you are going to end up erasing this bottom part of the circle. And you're going to do a line going straight across, connecting these 2 lines that go in for the straps. And then you're going to do 2 more that are parallel to these 2, so it actually makes the strap. And then you go down, you make this trapezoid shape like that. And that's what his overall should look like on the inside. And then they do have a pocket, or at least, yeah, he does. And it's just this little dome shape. So, like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and work on his face. My dog is growling, it's kind of funny. So the goggles in the middle aren't connected like this. So I'm gonna go around and make it a little bit darker so you can see exactly how I'm gonna do this. But you're gonna trace over the top of this side, and then you're kind of gonna come down like this, because they don't connect like this, or you're not gonna see this. That's all gonna be erased. Then you go again. And they are a little closer together, I think, than this, but I don't think I've drawn a minion in a long time. So it's trying my best. Same thing, they aren't connecting like in the middle, like how the circles were originally. It's kind of lopsided. That one a little bit bigger. Okay, so then once you have that, you can erase the middle. That, and then you are going to do 2 smaller circles on the inside, because they are goggles, like thick metal goggles. So just sketch in a circle. It doesn't need to be perfect. You can trace, like, I don't know, like a bottle cap or something, depending on the size of your drawing. I'm probably going to end up making mine a little bit bigger so it fills up some more space. But when you're done, like, sketching out the eyes, you're going to want to do the actual, like, color of his eyes. And they're just another circle, because that's all it is. They're really simple shapes, like circles. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. I don't like that. You can also just make this whole thing, if you want to make it really cute, you can just make this his eyeball. Like, this is the eyeball, and that's a goggle around it. If you want to be like that, you can. I think I'm just going to leave it like this. I might change my mind. I don't know. Art's tricky, because sometimes I'm like, yeah, that looks good, and then other times I'm like, no, I'm going to fix that. Okay, so I'm gonna, after this last circle, I'm gonna stop, move on to another part, and probably come back. So just keep in mind that this is white, this is the color, and then this part, I'm gonna mark it so you can tell. This is all gonna be the gray of the metal. So what I'm gonna do next is his legs, so I can get those out of the way. So they have like, they're wearing like overalls, so they're just like, have these little pant legs. Like this. And they got little boots. Like that. They have like a little heel on them, I think. So if you've ever seen like SpongeBob, they kind of have similar shoes to him. They're not quite as exaggerated, they're more flat, I think, but they have the little heel on the end. Like, they're supposed to be like working boots, but because they're so cartoony, they just have like these little feet. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and give him a mouth so he doesn't look like he's just like staring at you. He's happy, so yeah, that's so much better. Sometimes you just gotta add a certain facial feature and it just changes everything. I'm gonna do his arms. They're pretty much just like little tubes. Actually, I think I'm gonna make them a little bit lower because it's technically placement. Shouldn't be there. Yeah, again, they're just little tubes because this isn't an exact, like I'm not like copying an actual image of it. It's kind of supposed to be more cute and like you have more freedom to do what you want with them. But they're just these little tube structures, and then they have 3 fingers. They have a thumb and then like 2 actual fingers. I don't think you'll see the thumb exactly on this unless you make it in the front. I'll go ahead and do that so you can see it. So there's the thumb, and then they have 2 fingers like that. And they do have gloves, so, and they're black, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then on this side, do the thumb. And then the 2 fingers. Actually, hold on. And then draw on the glove. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish his eyes. One more circle. I'm also doing a half circle because I'm gonna add a highlight, which is also a circle. So this stuff actually gets really confusing to look at after a while. Like, it just kind of hurts your eyes because it's just a circle and a circle and a circle and a circle and a circle. So it's like, and it kind of looks a little creepy after a while if you're just looking at it like that. But once most things are colored, it looks a lot better. Like I said, if you wanted, you can give them like, sometimes they have like these little hairs. I'm pretty sure he doesn't, so I'm not gonna actually go with it, but if you wanted to, you can just add. Sometimes it looks like that, and then other times they look like going down the forehead almost, like these little lines, like just being combed over. Yeah, honestly, that's pretty much how I would go about drawing a Minion the best I could without like copying an exact image. So yeah. Yeah, so that's how I would draw a Minion. I hope you liked it. I hope you think it's easy enough to do. I know that circles can be a little confusing after a while. But once you color it, usually things like look a lot better. You can make them like tall or short like Bob. So yeah, I hope you liked it. Subscribe if you want. Bye.